How to avoid copyright on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your TikTok application from your device. Now, the one way to avoid copyright on your TikTok videos is by only posting music that are copyright free. Let me give you an example of what I mean. Tap on the plus icon on your bottom bar. Let's go ahead and upload a video. Select any photo or video that you would like to post. You can also capture one, and under here tap on add sound. Now from here, only add music that are copyright free. You can also use YouTube Studio for that, but make sure that all the music that you are using are very copyright free, and it is applicable for commercial use. Once you're done choosing the audio, tap on the next option, write in your caption, and tap on post. And that is the only way you can avoid copyright music and the chances of your account being striked as unoriginal. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it has helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.